Hi, it's Allie with Seattle Coffee Gear, and today we're talking about the Rocket Espresso Pro Upgrade Kit. This is a kit we've put together to kind of add some value to your machine and make it a little bit easier to get started. So some of the things we've included are a E61 group head silicone gasket. So this would replace the rubber gasket that traditionally comes in your machine. It's going to last a little bit longer and it's not going to wear out as fast. And you'll notice it has a little bit firmer or like a tighter feel. So it's just a little bit nicer, a little bit better grip there. We're also throwing in a Rocket Bottomless Portafilter and a triple size basket. So you'd be able to make triple size shots, or you can put in your double basket or your single basket into the Bottomless here, and you get to see some really cool stuff happen with your espresso. With the Bottomless, you'll actually get to see what's going on underneath the extraction there. You're going to see the actual pull, and the way it should look is this like dark chocolate trickle come together, starts to do this kind of blonding is what it's called, and get the caramel look. You're going to get to see all that happen, but not only that, it's going to show you kind of what's going on with your shot as well, and it's a good teaching tool. So essentially you can see if you are not grinding your coffee fine enough. You're going to see that here. You're going to see if your tamp isn't even, or if you have channeling going on, because it's probably going to make a little bit of a mess. If you've done everything right, it'll pull together really nicely, but if you haven't, something's going to go awry and you might get little shots of water coming out of there. But really cool way to get a little bit more advanced with your espresso. So we're also throwing in a 58.4 millimeter tamper here from Rhino Coffee Gear. This is going to fit more precisely inside of your portafilter, so there's no gaps along the edges, so it's really precise and exact fit. We're also throwing in the fellow steaming pitcher, the Eddy steaming pitcher. This is a really nice steaming pitcher that works really well. So basically it's going to have your pointed spout here, which is going to help you get more detailed lines. It's also angled shaped. It's a little bit thinner and longer. That's going to help you get a nice swirl, and then whenever you're swirling afterwards and hitting the table, it won't make as much of a mess. You also get your measurements inside here. You have a 6 ounce, 8 ounce, and a 10 ounce measurement, so you can be precise when you're measuring your milk as well and not wasting. So there you have it, Rocket Espresso Pro Upgrade Kit. Basically just some things that are going to make your use of your espresso machine a little bit more enjoyable, make sure you can get the best espresso and the best coffee possible. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.